Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you the official PlayStation 3 Pulse wireless stereo headset. So its main features are, of course, it's wireless, so you don't have to worry about getting tangled up in wires. You can just sit back and relax. It has base impact technology, so for games such as Battlefield or Call of Duty, when a grenade goes off, you're really going to feel it. It has virtual surround sound 7.1, and it does this by sending pulses around the ear, which gives you a sense of direction, which is going to be great for hearing the enemies behind you. For those who really like to communicate with your friends, then you're going to be glad to know that it has a crystal clear microphone, which is actually built into the cup. It's not sticking out like other headphones, so that's quite intriguing. And also, you can adjust the game audio with the chat audio. So if you want to hear your friends over the game, then you can set it for to do that. Not only is it going to be great for games, but it also is good for music and movies. You can connect this to other devices such as the PS Vita or other mobile devices such as an MP3 player by using a 3.5mm jack. Okay, so now I'm going to unbox it and see exactly what's inside. First up is the instruction manual, which is pretty much in every single language. Absolutely loads of them, and you can see how thick the book is. We then have a 3.5mm jack cable, so you can use it on the PlayStation Vita or MP3 player. We have the USB dongle, which is how you connect to the headphones wirelessly. And it looks like the very last to come out is the headset. So here's what they look like completely unwrapped, and I've got to say that the overall style is absolutely fantastic. There's not one thing I can fault about the looks, and also just by feeling them, you definitely can tell that they're very high quality. A really solid feel and nothing flimsy about them. On the ear cups you can see how adjustable they are, like that, and same with the headband. And just underneath the rim of the headband there's a really nice cushion material, and the same with the ear cups, the same material, just very nice and soft, so that's definitely going to make the wearing experience very comfortable. Okay, so right here is where the microphone is. I'm just going to zoom in on that. So you can see how hidden and out of the way it is, which is going to be great because I hate having microphones sticking out. To the left of that we have this slider. Now by sliding it up you're going to get more of the game audio, and sliding it down you're going to get more of the chat volume from your friends. And here is the power on and off slider, so I'm just going to flick that up, and there you can see it's now on, but I just don't have it connected. I'm going to put that back off. Underneath that is the port to where you connect your 3.5mm jack cable, and underneath that is what you will need to use your controller cable, which is a mini USB one. It doesn't come with one, so you will have to use with the ones that you've already got. If you've lost them, then you will need to buy them separately. And underneath that we have a microphone mute button, and also an overall volume slider. So we've got minimum and maximum. On the other side we have the virtual surround sound button, so if you want that activated, click that on. If I continue to twist this around, we've got the different modes, so this will obviously put it to a different preset, such as like a gaming mode, music mode, etc. And we also have the bass impact slider right here, so if you want it to go all the way to the max, just slide it all the way up that way. To set up the headset, first you need to insert the USB dongle into your PS3. Just like that, and this should start flashing blue any second now. Then you need to go to your headset and you need to make sure it is turned on. Once connected, everything should be configured automatically like it did for me. However, if it doesn't for you, don't worry, just go to the settings tab and then go down to accessory settings. Once there, go down to audio device settings, and then you want to make sure that the input is on wireless stereo headset. When you click that, the output device should be the same.
Then you want to go to the stereo headset audio extension and you want to switch that on, because when it's on, all the sound goes to the headset, but if it's off, then it's going to go through the TV. So just make sure that's selected and you should be all ready to go.
To give you a rough idea of what the microphone quality is like, I've put the audio extension off and the output device to system default device. So what you're hearing now is from the Pulse headset. However, do note that the game capture isn't 100% accurate at capturing the microphone audio quality. The actual audio is a lot better, it's 100% clear, and there is no jutter. So please keep an open mind and don't let this test put you off. Another awesome feature is you can actually stream audio directly from your TV or other audio device directly to your headset, and the power is all within the dongle. So if we take a look at the side, there is actually this small little hole here. This is actually an audio in. So what you want to do firstly is put this into a powered USB socket, such as the PS3 when it's on, or you can get one of these USB adapters which stick into the mains and then you plug this into it. Next step is to grab the 3.5mm jack that comes included, and you just insert it to the side here. The other end will go into your TV or Walkman. Once connected, this will then turn green, and I've got to state that when this is connected to the PS3, it will completely override the PS3 sound whilst this is connected. So to listen to your PS3 sounds again, you need to disconnect this. So far I've tried this on my mobile phone, which it didn't work. However, I did try it on my Walkman and it worked perfectly fine. Okay guys, so now I'm going to do the range test. So at the moment I'm in my room and I'm listening to the audio from my MP3 player wirelessly. So here we go. Oh, okay, so I'm downstairs and I can still hear it nice and clear. So I'm going to go even further, and now I'm in the kitchen. Still can hear it. Maybe I should take this outside. It's quite dark, by the way. Can still hear it, and I'm at the front door. So I'm outside, and now I can't hear it. Literally, it stops just outside my house. But even so, the range of it is actually very good. So I've been playing around with these for a few hours now, and I've got to say that the overall experience has been very good. So the comfort levels are really high because I've had these over my ears for a couple of hours now and not one bit of discomfort. The last thing you want to do when you're doing a long gaming session is to have to take off your headset because it's getting too uncomfortable. So in that department you're not going to have any issues at all. As for the sound quality, extremely good, just crystal clear, and the same with the microphone, really clear. The bass impact technology slider, now that is something you're either going to love or you hate, or you might just grow into it like I did. At first I didn't quite like it, but when I found a good balance between the bass and from it being not too high and not too low, then yeah, I actually really enjoyed it. But it's something you need to experience for yourself. It's not something I can describe. As for the navigation around the headset, it doesn't actually take long to get used to it. I know exactly where everything is and I don't even have to think about it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's just an all-rounder fantastic headset, and honestly guys, I would highly recommend this.